All right, this is a quick video. I don't have a lot of time. Here's my sound. See if I can turn it up for you there. So this is not anything special, but it's something that a lot of people may not know, that you think that you have to hit record and the play to hear the tape, but you can actually hit shift and hear, and it turns the tape on. Okay, then one more thing I think, and I haven't fully figured this out, but if you hit shift, you see how it switches from 1 to 1 to 100%? I'm thinking, and I won't know, I'll have to try it. I don't have my camera thing here to know if that allows you to turn the amount of the tape down. The tape noise, that is. I could be wrong. So let me just try it real quick. Sorry about that. I'm just gonna put this, I'm gonna have to put the phone down. Like that. So if I go shift. I'm not sure. That's interesting though. Oh no, that's the tape speed. Okay. So it's changing the tape speed. So when you're here, so you just pulling it. That's the speed of the tape. All right, go back here. Put it back at 100. Yeah, that's your standard speed. Okay, that's something I would like to see them adjust, is that you could actually change the speed of the tape. Not the tape, I meant to say, oh, it's recording. I meant to say the amount. So again, shift and record can turn on the tape. And get that cassette sound or whatever. It does it on all of them, so it doesn't really matter which one you're in. But yeah, anyway, that's it for this video. All right.